Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the WHS Training Plans and Records module. This module is designed to record and monitor WHS related staff training courses, including the capability to record course and qualification information and generate qualification expiry reminders. Like all system modules, this is accessible via the module menu, and access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To the right of the module name are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial, and below are the main controls. In this case, a plus icon, which when displays reminds you that records can't be added directly to this module, and instead they're created when a staff induction record is created and the training plan option is selected. And next is the export icon that exports all data from this module in CSV format. Depending on the commencement date of your subscription, you may also have a link to an archived record section in this module. Below are the main controls, the search and filtering tools, which are common to many modules in the system. Entering 3 characters or more into the search field presents any relevant results that can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results. To clear the results and view the full list again, either reselect the module from the module navigation menu or clear the search field and reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most modules in the system, although the filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows export of the filtered results in CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of list controls is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view and extended details about each record in the list view. The up and down arrow to the right of the list heading sorts the records in either ascending or descending order of the date they were created. The colours that appear on the left of each record in the list relate to the status of each training plan, which is explained in the module help notes. When a brief summary of each record in the list is displaying, the actions icon to the right pops the actions open in a separate control. When the extended details about each record are displaying in the list view, the action controls themselves are directly accessible. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information when logged into your workplace, the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which appears when you're logged into the system on a desktop computer, and the system overview for mobile tutorials on your system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.